Hi, I'm Rakesh Rana. I did my PhD with Miroslav Stein finished in 2015. That's my last memory of it. But I'm working as lead data scientist with Hayyp Group, currently based in Stockholm. Before this, I worked with Nodia for around 5 years. And yeah, now data is kind of where I'm mostly involved with. My research was about predicting and preventing software defects, specifically in automotive domain. That was the main theme of what we did. I would say trying out machine learning algorithms for software defect prediction. That was one thing that had more influence on my career than I anticipated at that point of time. And even though I went into kind of financial sector after that and did not use machine learning for a while, I came back to it because that was something that I recognize is quite useful, both in academic settings, but also in the industrial domain. And it has more impact and more or less something that started my interest into machine learning and AI domain, which I continue to follow after my initial time in financial management. It was fun, mostly. It was pretty good experience, specifically the applied part of the setup was very intuitive, very interesting. We worked with companies on all the projects that we did. So we had kind of practical problems to solve. We had a pretty good interactions with leaders from these companies. So it was a lot of stimulating discussions, experience, designing studies that have relevant questions behind them. Uh, and then we had pretty great colleagues in software center. So it was a lot of interesting work and fun as well. I think Software Center gave me the start that I needed at that point of time just to get more industrial exposure, what kind of problems they face, and specifically from a research background, what value we can add. So that was a pretty good insights to industry. Also that was pretty good launch platform where you feel more confident going into industry and making a contribution. My future plans for now is to continue working in the data science field, try to see what more business impact I can make in whichever companies I work for. And maybe hopefully at some point of time also see how can I continue making some more contributions to the research community.